Alright, so I have both of these vectors ripped apart, and I've got both screens out right here. And this is what it looks like on my microscope. So I have to desolder all these points, but I don't want to mess up any of these other components here. And I also have the camera attachment and all of this on the other side. So instead of taking my hot air gun to desolder all these, what I think I'm going to do is take a solder with a lower melting point and my small tipped soldering iron and go over all these joints with some lower melting point solder, and then just kind of lift up on this as I drag back across and see how that works.